Hello, dear children, how are you? So, we have already started our maths class today, and I have sent you a video regarding the explanation of properties of subtraction. So, in the previous video, we understood properties of subtraction. There were three properties. Now, in this video, I'll explain you another topic, which is checking subtraction with subtraction. So, I've written it in capital letters. Checking subtraction with subtraction. This is important, right? So I've also written a sum over here. Children, we all know that in a sum of subtraction, the greater number from which we subtract another number is called minuend. The number which we are subtracting, that means the lesser number, is called subtrahend, and the answer is called the difference, right? The greater number minuend, the number which we are subtracting is subtrahend, and the answer will be the difference of these two numbers. So how we check and how we do these sums, let us understand with the help of the example. So I've kept some toys over here. Okay, this is also here. Alright, so here the sum I have written 10 minus 4. Okay, so we do it with these toys. I have 10 with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I will subtract 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? Count them. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So the answer of this sum is 10 minus 4 will be 6. This is the answer. This is the difference. Now how we are going to check it with subtraction? Okay. Again, I will write the same minuend. Okay. I am keeping it on the same place. Now this time when we are going to check it with subtraction, this time what we will do, we will exchange, we will swap the places. I will subtract the difference from the minuend. ये जो difference है ये हम subtract करेंगे check करने के लिए. 10 minus 6, right? ये नंबर की प्लेस उठा के कहाँ ले आएंगे? At the place of subtrahend, and we will deduct it from the minuend. Minuend will remain at the same place. This number, this greater number will remain at the same place, and this difference will be at the place of subtrahend. Now let's see. 10 minus 6. Okay, again. 10 minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many are left? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Now this number, this answer should be same as this subtrahend. These two numbers should be same. If your number is same as subtrahend, if this answer is same as subtrahend, that means that your answer is correct. Right? Let me give you one more example. Let's say I have a sum 7,248 minus 5,106. Right? I have to deduct, I have to subtract this number. Now we are going to solve it. 8 minus 6 is 2, 4 minus 0 is 4, 2 minus 1 is 1, and 7 minus 5 is 2. So this is our answer, 2142. Now how we are going to check it? I told you that this number will remain at the same place. ये नंबर अपनी जगह पर ही रहेगा, और अब हम इसमें से ये जो हमारा आंसर आया है इस नंबर को हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. 2142. Let's see. 8 minus 2, 6. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. And 7 minus 2 is 5. Now this number is the same as this number 5106? Yes, of course it is same, right? So this means that the sum which we did is correct. So this is how we are going to check our subtraction with the help of subtraction. You just have to exchange the places. Just keep the difference at the place of subtrahend and your answer will be the same number as your subtrahend was. Okay, thank you.